Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to export your Samsung Health data step by step. First, open the Samsung Health app on your phone. On the top right corner, tap the three dots and choose Settings from the menu. Next, scroll down until you find Download Personal Data and tap on it. Then press the download button at the bottom of your screen. You'll be asked to sign in with your Samsung account password to confirm your identity. This helps keep your health information secure. After confirming, Samsung will start preparing your data. It may take a minute depending on how much information you have. Once it's done, a pop-up message will appear showing that your data has been downloaded successfully, along with the file location where it's saved. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Samsung Health data. You can now keep a backup of your health records or use it on another device. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.